82 video virtual tour. This is in Bedford, Ohio. Great neighborhood, nice street. We just updated this. You got a double car garage, a huge backyard. Let's go inside. All new flooring here. Redid countertops. Oh, this is clean. All new painted kitchen cabinets. Flooring, all new. All nice refinished wood floors. Here, all this is beautiful, nice. Big dining room, eat-in kitchen area. Everything's on the first floor too, as far as the bedrooms. Here's one of the bathrooms, new toilet. We redid the shower, all that. All new flooring, paint, plugs, switches, lights, all new. So this is another bedroom. Good sized bedrooms also on these. So like here's this. So we got all this here. And here's the third bedroom. So you got 3 bedrooms right here on this first floor, blinds. You got nice vinyl windows through here. The living room is huge. So that's a nice place for, you know, right here, good view on this. All this is done here. Let's go down the basement. There's another bathroom in the basement, new dishwasher too. So here's this. So you have another toilet right here, all brand new. A shower right down here. Here's a shower. And then you have a nice big basement. Then you have a bigger part of the basement on the other side, which you can use for whatever you want. But it's huge. So all this. And this is in Bedford, Ohio. It's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. You won't find these around much more, but they're here. This one's available for lease. Thanks.